My dream was to study abroad. I wanted to attend a top university in the United States. To do that, I needed a good TOEFL score. I took the TOEFL exam for the first time without any preparation. I was very confident. I thought my English was good enough. I was wrong. I scored only 85. I was disappointed. I needed a much higher score. I knew I had a lot of work to do. I only had 1 month to improve my score. I needed a plan. I needed the right resources. Most importantly, I needed to stay motivated. I was determined to achieve my goal. While searching online, I came across the TST Prep YouTube channel. This channel is dedicated to helping students ace the TOEFL exam. The videos were free and easy to understand. I started watching them regularly. The instructors were experienced TOEFL tutors. They provided valuable insights and strategies. The channel covered all sections of the TOEFL reading, listening, speaking and writing. They offered practical tips and tricks. They also provided sample questions and answers. I was impressed by the quality of the content. I felt hopeful after watching their videos. TST Prep provided me with effective strategies for each section of the TOEFL. They offered writing templates for the writing section. These templates helped me structure my essays effectively. I learned how to use transition words and phrases to improve the flow of my writing. For the speaking section, they taught me how to organize my thoughts clearly. I practiced answering common speaking questions. The instructors also shared reading tricks for the reading section. They taught me how to identify the main idea. They showed me how to understand vocabulary in context. For the listening section, I learned active listening techniques. I practiced taking notes while listening to lectures and conversations. TST Prep gave me the tools to succeed. Section 4. The power of practice with TestGlider. Watching videos was helpful, but I needed to practice what I learned. That's where TestGlider came in. TestGlider is an online TOEFL practice platform. They offer realistic mock tests. The tests are designed to simulate the actual TOEFL exam experience. Taking these tests helped me build my stamina. TestGlider provides detailed feedback on your performance. They use AI to analyze your strengths and weaknesses. The feedback helped me understand my mistakes. I learned how to avoid making the same errors again. The platform also tracks your progress. This feature allowed me to see how far I had come. TestGlider was essential to my TOEFL preparation. Section 5. My 1-month TOEFL study plan. I followed a strict study plan for 1 month. I dedicated 2 hours each day to TOEFL preparation. In the first week, I focused on understanding the TOEFL format. I watched TST Prep videos to learn test-taking strategies. In the second week, I started practicing with TestGlider. I took 1 full mock test every other day. I reviewed my mistakes and worked on my weak areas. In the third week, I focused on improving my timing. I learned how to manage my time effectively during the actual exam. I continued practicing with TestGlider. In the final week, I took 2 more full mock tests. I reviewed all my notes and strategies. I felt confident and well prepared for the real TOEFL exam. Section 6. Achieving my TOEFL goal from 85 to 108. The day of my TOEFL exam arrived. I was nervous, but I was also excited. I had worked hard and was ready to showcase my skills. I followed all the strategies I learned. I stayed calm and focused during the exam. A few weeks later, I received my score. I was thrilled. I had scored 108. My hard work and dedication paid off. TST Prep and TestGlider were instrumental in my success. If I can do it, you can too. Believe in yourself, stay focused, and never give up on your dreams. If you're looking to boost your TOEFL score, I highly recommend checking out TST Prep on YouTube and TestGlider for practice tests. Good luck!